At Penta del Norte, we specialize in business, industrial, and corporate uniforms. We have been in the market for over 20 years and work with national and international brands, always focused on offering comfort, safety, and quality to our customers at every stage of the process. As our project portfolio grew, internal coordination became more complex. We needed a tool that would unify our commercial, financial, and administrative operations into a single system. The objectives were that we wanted to centralize information on sales, projects, customers, and suppliers. We also sought to improve planning and control of materials for each customer, streamline purchasings, quotes, and invoicing, and to have real-time visibility of progress, cost, and profitability. With the support of One2Many, we implemented Odoo modules adapted to our business model: project, sales, CRM, inventory, purchasing, as well as an accounting and billing. The results were that today we have total control for the life cycle of each project, from quotation to final delivery. We can make decisions with real-time information, reduce quotation and reporting times, and achieve more fluid collaboration between all of our areas. With Odoo, we were able to integrate all areas of the company into a single platform. Today we have much better control over our projects, materials, and finances, which allow us to offer better service to our customers and operate more efficiently.